Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove filters from Snapchat pictures. Is it possible? Let's find out. First, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device, whether it's Android or iOS. To check, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. If there's an update available, make sure to update the app to the newest version. Once that's done, open Snapchat. Now, when you take a picture and apply a filter, you might wonder if you can later edit it to remove the filter or change it. Let me show you. Here, I've taken 3 pictures without any filters. If I want to add a filter to one of them, I can open the picture, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, and select Edit Snap. From here, I can swipe through the filters and apply the one I want. But what if I want to remove a filter from a saved snap? You can easily do this too. Just open the snap with the filter, tap the 3 dots in the top right corner again, and choose Edit Snap. This will allow you to remove the filter and save the picture without it. Just keep in mind that it's only possible to properly edit or remove filters from images that are saved as Snapchat memories. If you save the picture outside of Snapchat, you won't be able to use the Edit Snap option, making it much harder to remove the filters. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped. If you found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.